Yeah, let go. Daddy, check.
Hi everyone. So I want to show you a quick video. I'm doing a quick video rather on how to use your Flexi rod to achieve great curves. I've had this weave and wig for over 5 years. It's actually one of my best hair. So say hello to my mannequin head. This baby has been through tough and thin with me. You can see I've practically injured this girl with too many coloring. Don't worry, you'll be alright, okay? So this hair, we're about to work on this. We're about to transform it into the popping coils that we want rather. So I've washed this hair for a while and I didn't use it. I didn't wear it. I've done my laundry and everything. It's super dry. There's no product on it. So I'm going to show you what I'll use, what I'll apply on it. So I'm going to be applying my Hawaii silky leave-in conditioner. I don't know how it's called the name, but I'm sure you've seen it before. So it's one of my favorite leave-in conditioners. You can use whatever you can use whatever you're comfortable with. So this is what I'm going to be applying on my hair. And this hairspray I got it from one of my vendors, my hair vendor. So I've been using it for over 1 year. I love the way it smells. It helps to give it shine. It helps to make my weaves pop, and it smells really, really good. So I can recommend for anybody. It doesn't have a name. I can't call this Chinese name on it. It's just okay. I think it has hair repair on it. So I just use it for my weaves, my human hair weaves. It's quite good and it's quite affordable. So I'm going to be using my bending rollers. I'm using a small size. I'm using a small size 4. They have different and various sizes for bending rollers. So whatever you choose to use, please feel free. This is what I'm going to be using. I will not finish the 2 packs, obviously. This is the size. Not too tiny, but tiny enough. So I think last I will need is my comb. So I just use this to smoothen the hair as I proceed with coiling it. Let's jump right in. to let the hair dry for like 6 days because yes, I have to go to work. I couldn't do it before leaving for work, so, and I wanted it to get really dry. So look at it. I've taken out the bending rollers at the back, so I'm going to show you how to remove your bending rollers from your hair. So I already done my hair all to the back and I applied a little edge control. I'm going to show you what the hair looks like on my head. So I'm wearing my cap. It's just a ritual we do. What does it really do for us? I don't know. So next is my hair. I'm sweating. The weather is super hot. Yeah. Super hot. See my face, see heat, joy. So this is what the hair looks like. My hair is so beautiful. It's kind of like copper hair. I'm gonna use my tiny brush. Make this like go down, hair go down. If you feel it's too high, you can just tie a scarf around it. Put your hair mousse, and you're good to go. I'm sweating all over. So this is what I'm using to comb my. I don't want to take out the coils. I don't want the coils to just disappear in the twinkling of an eye. So I'm just gonna use this comb. I'm just gonna use throughout the period I'm wearing the hair. I'm gonna rock this hair. This new. Didn't you just love the results? Didn't you just love it? Let's try a side part. I hope you learned something watching this video. The process looks like it's a bit tedious, but no, you can do it yourself. Just go over it again, get your bending rollers, do your hair and do your stuffs, put whatever you want to put on your hair, and let it dry, and it's gonna look like this, if not better. So thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and hit the thumbs up button, that's the like button, and also smash that bell. You know what the bell does? It helps to tell you the next time I post on YouTube. So you don't want to miss any video I'm going to be posting on YouTube. Please appreciate your girl, okay? And share. You can share with somebody that needs it. And leave a comment, yeah. You can suggest a video for me to do, and like that, you know how it is now. Thank you all, thank you all, thank you. Watch my next video, okay? No, watch my previous video rather.